A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
Okay, here we are at the last stage of this restoration. Again, you can see everything has been done from beginning to end. From the stonework on the front of the house, we've just finished sealing the side brick with the SurGuard product, that high build coating that allows masonry to breathe while it repels the water and prevent any kind of water damage. The last stage of this is just going to be to seal the interlocking stone on the driveway that we laid last year. Manufacturers require that it wait a year before you actually seal it. So that's what we're going to do very shortly, and then this complete renovation is done. The nice thing about these exterior renovations, if you're considering it, if you're thinking that this might be something for you, is that you look around the neighborhood. If you see that this is a neighborhood, you can see some of the houses behind me beyond this particular house where you have, when it was built, maybe in the 60s, 70s, that time period, and behind that where they actually tear down the house and they rebuild it new. This particular homeowner likes what they have. They want to stay here. They don't want something completely new. They just want to invest in their property, and we wanted to help them do that. So again, very quickly, we did the front steps. We did the paving stone on top of the patio with banished stone, natural stone. As we got onto the driveway, we did the paving stone. Then we replaced the windowsills and matched it with a nice veneer stone over top the original brick masonry. On the sides, we don't want to have that extra cost and expense, so we just sealed it with SurGuard. It's a beautiful color. I'm going to take you there in a moment. And that protects the brick, but it also adds to the complete transformation of this restoration. So sometimes when you see a house that has been restored in the front, they kind of stop just as they return around the corner, and you can see the old brick, and it may not be complementary to the look that you're trying to achieve in these restorations, these renovations, as you will. Now the metalwork has all been done to match the stone and the look. And as you look, it's falling into what's happening in this neighborhood. And the amazing thing is that when it's done right, and the amount of money that you spend, the return on investment is really amazing when you consider what it takes to renovate on an interior bathroom or kitchen, the budgets that's required for those type of jobs. That kind of money, which you can do on the exteriors, can have a completely new home, and it looks great.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.